Looking for a dependable antenna extension cable that won't compromise your radio reception? This 120-inch, 305 cm extension cable is designed to deliver clear, uninterrupted signals, no matter the vehicle or setup. Whether you're restoring a classic car or replacing a broken-in glass antenna, this cable ensures you get the length and quality you need for a seamless install. What sets this extension cable apart is its built-in 150 pF impedance matching capacitors. These components prevent signal loss across models from 44EC72 through 44EC240, so your radio picks up every station clearly. Tested in real-world conditions, it guarantees a secure fit and consistent performance, even in demanding environments. Users across the United States praise it for fast shipping, flawless function, and overall reliability. Take it from a classic car restorer who used this cable on a 1979 Corvette during a full frame-off restoration. The cable's perfect length made installation straightforward, while its quality ensured excellent reception. No regrets there, just a hassle-free upgrade that performed exactly as promised. Another user replaced a broken-in glass antenna with a Metra-on glass antenna paired with this extension cable, achieving great reception and peace of mind about the cable's quality. Despite concerns about overseas manufacturing, this cable delivers solid build and dependable performance. If you want a cable that balances quality, length, and signal integrity, this 120-inch antenna extension is worth a look. It's designed with both users and installers in mind, making your upgrade or repair as smooth as possible. No fuss, no guesswork, just a straightforward solution that works. Ready to improve your vehicle's radio reception with a cable that fits securely and performs reliably? Try this 120-inch antenna extension cable when you're ready. It's a smart choice for anyone who values quality and ease of installation without breaking the bank.